Boost your online presence, Google Knowledge Panel. Are you ready to elevate your personal brand to the next level? Learn how to optimize your Google Knowledge Panel, enhance your online visibility, and build a credible online presence. Google Knowledge Panel is a box display of information that appears on the right-hand side of the search results when you search for entities such as people, businesses, organizations, places, or things. The information is aggregated by Google from various sources to provide a quick and comprehensive summary of the searched entity. Google Knowledge Panel is crucial for boosting your personal branding for several reasons: enhanced visibility and discoverability, credibility and trust, control over your narrative, improved online reputation, comprehensive overview, SEO benefits, and showcase of authority and expertise. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your personal brand. Join us for an exclusive event where you'll discover the secrets to building a standout personal brand using Google Knowledge Panel.